besties, welcome back to another wiginstall video. If you're new here, my name is Yomidun, but anyways, let's get straight into the video. So today this video is sponsored by WestKisshair. This is at 24 inches 13 by 4 HD frontal. It came with some HD cap, some lashes and some lace band, but this is not why we are here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, let's get straight into the video. I'm back again, you all, and this is the final look. Who is this gorgeous girl? Okay, girl. Oh my god, y'all, this hair from WestKiss is everything you need. Perfect for summer. The more you comb the curls, the fuller it looks. No, WestKiss, you outdid yourself. You all, to shop this wig, the link is under my description box below. I totally recommend this hair and this brand. Don't forget to also share, like, subscribe. I'm going to see you guys in my next video, okay? I love you guys so much. Bye.